Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because I'm going to be coming out with a bunch of new videos this year and I don't want you guys to miss out. So click the little bell, that way you're always notified. It's free and you'll never miss another video. So if you guys don't know, I have a huge series on my channel where I do 10 beauty benefits or 10 beauty uses of different kinds of oils. So I have coconut oil, almond oil, rose water, apple cider vinegar, like you name it, I have it on my channel. Today's video is all about apricot oil. Now, I never had even heard about apricot oil, but once I found out about it and I started to learn more about it, I became fascinated. Okay, so I am doing a 10-week project with OK Pure Naturals. They sent me a bunch of different kinds of oils, and I've actually been using their oils for years and years. A lot of their products have contributed to the health of my hair and my skin. I love their products. They're natural, they smell great, they don't irritate my skin, and I'm so excited to be working with them for 10 weeks, and I'm going to be releasing a video to you guys every single week and showing you guys 10 beauty benefits and 10 beauty uses of different kinds of oils. So today is apricot oil. The one I did last week was tamanu oil, and it's a very powerful oil. If you guys want to check it out, I will have that link down below. If you guys are interested in the one that I use, it is by OK Pure Naturals. This is $7. It's very affordable, it's natural, it has pure apricot oil in there. It smells really, really good. You get a bunch of product in there. It's not greasy at all, and a little bit goes a long way. This little bottle lasts forever. Beauty use number one is you can use apricot oil as a moisturizer. It sinks into your skin instantly without clogging your pores. It's not greasy, it's not heavy, and your skin just absorbs it so fast, it just soaks it all up. Beauty use number two of apricot oil is you can get rid of your dark circles, and you can use it around your eyes. Because apricot oil is so rich in vitamin K, vitamin K is something that is really good for your under eyes, for dark under eye circles as well. It also makes the skin around your eyes very strong. Now, I love this because whenever I put eyeliner on, I tend to like stretch my eyes out, and I know that's not good. It's a huge like no-no in applying makeup, but it's just easier for me. I've gotten into the habit of it. So to have something that will reduce the damage of doing that, that's really nice. Beauty use number three, it's really good for dry elbows and knees. So not only will it get rid of any darkness you may have, but it also hydrates the area and moisturizes it and makes it really soft. Beauty use number four is that you can use this as a night cream. It's an anti-aging serum. Apricot oil contains linoleic acid, which is something that helps to hydrate and plump your skin. So if you use this overnight, you're going to wake up with refreshed, hydrated, beautiful, healthy looking skin. It slows down the aging process and gives you a really nice glow. I love using this oil at nighttime because I wake up with my skin looking so nice. Beauty use number five of apricot oil is that you can use it to seal in moisture in your hair. Because it's such a light oil, it's perfect to use in your hair because it won't weigh it down. I especially like to use this on the ends of my hair where it's most dry, and it just makes my hair feel softer, and it just adds a lot of moisture into the dry areas. And it also makes it naturally very shiny. Beauty use number six for apricot oil, it's a really good oil to use as a hot oil treatment for your hair. So basically what you would do is add a little bit of either coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. And then next you would add some apricot oil in there, warm it up a little bit, and apply it all over your hair. I especially like to concentrate it on the ends of my hair and then leave it on for however long you can. So 10 minutes, 30 minutes, overnight, and then wash it off. You're gonna notice your hair so much more silkier. The frizz is a lot more tamed, and your hair is going to be bouncier and softer, and apricot oil smells really, really good. So your hair is going to smell amazing. Beauty use number seven of apricot oil is you can use it to get rid of dandruff. Now, because it's such a lightweight oil, you can apply it to your scalp and your hair won't get heavy or it won't feel too greasy. And it moisturizes your scalp and it gets rid of the dryness. So all the flakes and everything that you have from your dandruff is going to go away, and your hair is going to feel a lot nicer and smoother as well. And it does help to get rid of the itchiness that comes with dandruff because it does moisturize your scalp. Beauty use number 8 for apricot oil, and one of my favorites is for eczema. So if you guys don't know, I have eczema, and especially in the winter months, my skin will get really itchy. Apricot oil is a really good oil to calm down the itchiness, and if you get rashes or inflammation or anything, apricot oil calms it down and helps it to go away and heal faster. Beauty secret number 9 of apricot oil is its skin plumping properties. Now this is one of my favorite and most fascinating uses of apricot oil. Because of all the natural antioxidant properties in this oil, it helps to boost collagen in your skin, which means that it boosts elasticity, which means that your skin, any sagginess or fine lines or dullness, this gets rid of it. It has a really high content of vitamin A and E, which is really good for your skin to fade dark spots and to make your skin look healthier, more radiant, brighter. You can actually see the difference in your skin after you start using apricot oil for a few days. Number 10 way to use apricot oil is as a massage oil. This is a really popular oil to use as a massage oil, not only because it smells really beautiful, but also because it absorbs into your skin so easily. It just makes for the perfect oil to massage with. It makes your skin softer and smoother. It's perfect to massage over your joints and muscles. It just absorbs into your skin really beautifully. So those are 10 ways that I love to use apricot oil. And if you guys are interested in the one that I use, it is by OK Pure Naturals. I will leave it linked down below. I love this. It smells really good. It's really good for my skin. It doesn't irritate it, and there's apricot oil in there. Like I said, I have a whole series on my channel where I do 10 beauty benefits of different kinds of oils. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave it linked down below, and subscribe if you're not already, because within the next few weeks I'm going to be coming out with a bunch of videos where I partnered up with OK Pure Naturals. They sent me a bunch of different kinds of oils, which I am so excited about. I'm going to be releasing a new video every single week talking about 10 beauty benefits of special oils, so stay tuned. I'm really excited to share that with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.